What's up, YouTube? You know it's your boy. Oh, 4160876 Jamaica, you know my people. But you make me like my car, yeah. And yes, my people, I don't see topic what we come to talk about, you know, my people. The depression and stress and nobody now go tell we say I gonna happen to when we are gonna build a house, you know, my people. So the video just a talk about the good and the bad about building a house from foreign. You understand? And what it is and the toll it take for me and the sleepless nights and we just attack again, you see my people, so I just stay up and all in there. So you know what? Long time I put out a vlog for my people, you know. So right now my people, there's a vlog we are going to try to drop it tonight. And we still going to include footage again from the house. It's for the house are more, you know, for the last video with Aveen. And I think we'll get the electrical and thing done. And then this video now, still have to have in how far with it. I don't know if the painting that go on right now, my people. But I think of the painting for prime out the house. Because I try to get the tiling and the window in. Right? But like I said, we're going to talk about all them two part of things right after. But yes, my people, so I mean that's, you know, the goods. The good part about building a house in foreign, you know. The money is easier to get sometime depending on what you do and what kind of sacrifice you can make overseas. You understand, my people? But you have to try to make the right proper sacrifice them to say, you know what, I'm going to go to Jamaica, go buy a house or go build a land or buy a land and start build. Right? So there's that good point about living overseas like what me can see compare if me there at Jamaica and me not get that type of paycheck there, right? So boom, one, yes, you can build a house a little bit faster depending the type of money where you make and the wages where you make. You understand? Number two, okay, too much people are pre actually me look kind of rusty, you know, my people. You see, I know, man, don't worry. Now the pressure not kill me, you know, there. Tomorrow I try to get a one trip, so today or tomorrow I will try to get a one line up and, you know, and a one trim and make life work and look like somebody pick me. You understand? But only if a girl them like look crusty man look more time too, you know, so we can go the way there 1 and 2 times. You understand? Oh damn, I left the thing that I wanted to buy. Oh well, we'll do that the next day again. But yes, number two, my people. What I could think of? You've seen different design and pattern and you can hire different architect from over here for your design your place. You understand? For make it work how you want to make it work. You understand? And again to, you know, my people, when you live like overseas, you know, it's very easier to say, you know what, we can put away the money there and put away the money there to make life go so boom. Right, but there's a whole heap of good, but we can't really think of a lot of the good, but I just know say no, number one focus are the money. Right true, right there, so yeah man. Number one focus are that you can get a faster money here depending on the type of job what you do. 1, 2, depending on how you manage your money and savability. Because if you can't save your money and manage your money the right way, things not gonna work out in a year way, right? So at some fast topic me I jump on. I don't think the video gonna be too long depending on how much bad me find about building a house like what I go through right now. So I'm gonna just jump over to the bads at the end of the day. When you build a house in Jamaica and you live in a foreign, key things you have to remember. You have to go back down there to go build the house. So when you save up your money from foreign, you see again too, you know, it costs us a little bit more money to, you know, because we have to fly back and forth to make sure this and that get checked on. And then the depression too. One thing again to, you know, too, depression. Because when you're over here and you build all your house, you know, you see you buy up all your 2 tons of steel and your chocolate of sand and gravel and everything like that, and you say, yeah, they out of your land and next week you go ready and then boom, you get a 2 phone calls say, yo, you know, say what she say, Bumbo, no, lead. Traffic along here, man. And you say, and your ears say, and your ears say, John Brown take away your son, or John Brown thief take away your steel and all that sort of them things there. I scratch your start, scratch your head because you say, what else probably missing? What else probably gone? So now you lay down in your bed and you don't know what go on, you understand me? I try to say my people. And then like a next thing to my people. And we talk, you see. And next thing when we go through, the workman feel this is when me that pay them per day, right? So me that per them, remember them people, my experience me I tell you about, right? So one second my people. Next thing my people, through my day now look, see at bank right now. And next thing now. So when you did it at Jamaica, you're there foreign again. And you build all your place. And you that pay, remember again, me that pay daily, So, you look on and say, oh, I don't know what time the brother they go work, if you don't have nobody to watch them, say you have a contractor, you say you pay all your contractor daily, and 2 other man daily, and you say, oh, I hope your contractor not go around your head, and tell you, say, yo, Johnny and Cliffy did come and work today, and probably Johnny and Cliffy never come and work, I'm alone go over there, and I build all the place, and I try to get all of the local money there, you understand me? I try to say, yeah man, people, because we media Jamaica, and me that go through it, neighbor tell me say, you know what time them come show up? Yesterday about 12 o'clock, then they leave like 4:30. I mean I say watch all of them things, man. That's like them there the downfall. When you're dip on site for build a place, people a whole heap of style them I go use and thing for go around here, man, a whole heap of thing I go on around my people, like me I tell you right now. So just prepare to have a busted like that because life I cry, you go cry, man, my people. So the work, man, one thing too. What me say is a bad thing. You understand my people? The third thing, what me can say again right now. I know the first thing was the depression where you get from the material again, my people. So you say you buy your water, your sand, your gravel, your steel and everything, and you don't know if these work, man. I say them use up this and that and you never know. If you don't have no people that watch out, some people, them use up your material and say, I done it, man. And a whole heap of people get style them way they too, man, my people. For sure, all people and wicked out there after you hire, man. And I give my one work, man, my people. So, material people, sleepless nights. After a man I go look here and say, yo, I know say 2 tons of steel, I say 200,000 and you go buy your 2 tons of steel and then the next week a man I come call you again and say, you know, say I think 5 steel missing. I rub you want about your head now. You're there foreign sit down right now. Rub out your head now because you can't, after you just, you know how hard it is to save $2,000 my people. You know how hard it is to save $2,000 Canadian or US dollar. You know them hard time, yeah. So I rent me I go pay right now my people. For sure you. And when rent I remember sometimes we have build house. We have pay rent, we have pay car insurance, we have pay a mortgage, and you get local money, you have pay car payment, you have pay this, you have pay that, you have pay light, you have pay hydro, you have pay. By the time you're looking at my people, local money, we're supposed to get just run out and you still a try to build a house and you try to buy up the material and then a man go, and then somebody go run off with the material, my people. And them things that make people look like this and stress out more time. You understand? Because them hardship you're not up on the ground. And if you're not up on the ground, you'll get slash. You understand? When I say the fourth thing, the depression of how your house are built and the sizing and stuff like that. Because some of them work, man, it's like you give them sorry about the bad word, you give them the measurement, the right way and everything, and them choose to go put bill, the stuff, feed them way. Oh, me pay your my money and me did that now. You got to send all your cousin or family up there. Sometimes you can't depend on nobody. I mean, I go to the dependable part too. Yeah, Bill. And them want free size up your place and I tell you say, yo, this size they can't work or that can't work or this can't work. Brother, what me pay for make it work, right? Because me can't make it work, so you have to find out to make it work. Because if me know say, I'm 5 foot for go so, I'm 5 foot for go so. I'm say, you measure 5 foot so, I'm going to measure 5 foot so. And you say it can't work, and then down the line, you're going to tell me, say, the space was too small, or the space was this, or the space was that. No, you can't come give me man after me have that vision in my head, oh me want my bathroom for set up, and oh my kitchen for set up. You come tell me that now. Yes, that deprive me again. So the sizes and stuff like that, all when you give them the blueprint. So my name screw up, because you're foreign. And then every day you really call and check up on them because you have your faith in these people. And you have boom again now, fifth thing again. You don't really have too much people down there where you can depend on, because some of them people are style like you send them your money for go pay this workman and that workman and everybody. And then they use your money go build other house with your money. Be a styling thing that in a man, man there foreigner work hard so hard and then you go down to Jamaica. And you see your brother build up one bigger house than yours, and you never have no bigger house than you when you left them. For sure, sometimes people, or your sister, or whoever, I just stick on me, you topic them about it, that's why I bring it up in my people. You understand? So there's a lot of bads. There's a one and two good, the best good part again, but that should be the biggest one no matter what. And the money. You can make over them place for build up your place faster compared to the Jamaica. Don't get it twisted in my people. You have people in Jamaica who make millions a month time for the work, you know. So don't get it twisted in here. Can so long as Jamaica can do what you need for do. Period. I watch YouTube video and I see the man go so boom and slap your house in the space of 8 months or 6 months. And that me make you know. I'm going to shout out them people because I always watch a video them all today. I watch them and see two of my bridging them. But nah and Jason nah look at track and field brother them. So shout out the Del Pratt family channel because I want to thing watch and get from them. Because like I say, I do overseas some more time I have to just check in for them pages and check in on you to use the name. You to name Daniel Marshall and I build film house. You have top class bros people. Them channel them watch also. That me say TV them people also cause them go around and show different property and stuff like that, you know what I mean? But when me cause Daniel Marshall used to more go hardware them and show the prices them, but him stop do that. So when I go down and people are ask for them type of video there, cause them type of video there at least we make we over here so check in for know what the price is and just have a mindset. For we know say yo okay, I don't steal like 200,000, you know. 1,000 black cost me 120,000, you know. A bag of cement at $1,600, you know. At least either we put our mind at ease if we see them type of video there. If the YouTubers then can give them type of video there. You understand me I try to say? But at the end of the day, I can't tell a person what to shoot or what to do with for them time. You understand? But like me I say, it's my time right now. I make know what kind of videos I go try to help you know with what me face. When me up here and I try to go up on you. For research and stuff like that. You understand? I mean I go know the prices them too straight on. And I go tell you about the next video or that video or this video. I tell you say yo listen, I turn a steal at this right now, you know. One block at this right now, you know. You understand me I try for some people. So at the end of the day, check out them people the channel if you know build on a house at Jamaica and I have to check in with the thing. You understand? I just saw the thing set a line. I line up right now I try to go pay my rent right now on my people just for sure, you know. You see it line up for go pay rent too. And I already the plumber man for finish up because again you know my people. Me think the plumbing thing for finish up from last year. I buy up 100,000 I rate a pipe in last year, right? I ask my family them again for go so boom and me I send them 60 grand to do this, to do that. But when the plumber man go there now, plumber man has to brother all of them things that nothing really they run the right way this and that. So now the plumber man go so boom and slap me that about $200,000. You want for plumb 3 bathroom and 2 kitchen. I run the pipe to the pit. I run outdoor pipe in about 200,000. The dog I say, yo bro. And I throw my bridging tell me say I'm working down to 160. So that's 160,000 at Jamaica and I'm still looking off again as a brother. Right, I know a week, you know, but you Christmas time I come up right, you know, so my broken foot a little bit of them say, you know what, Christmas I come up, you know, when I go kill it, you know, just make a 150 reach me then and I say, alright, you know what, so I take a 30 to start and down the line PM up in the cars. People when I build something by yourself, you know, your credit card account I go max out, your banking I go max out, your friendship with people, bank I go max out, depends on who can help you, you understand? Depends on who you borrow money from, because me borrow money from my parents, and you know, them have to go get it back when the place done. I max out my credit card, I try for the stuff. So all of them things depression part we are going to tell you about now. And the sleepless nights. But people don't really come on them things that tell you and make you know about when they don't see the big pretty house. And that people really see, you know, but people don't see this. For make you know, say, yo brother, take your time and don't rush your thing. You understand? Take your time and say, you know what? I go outside A or side beef, you know. I remember again 2 people always do your research on work money, 1 on buying material, because you have to compare price. You know my people. Because all the people, if I tell you what I'm with all my tiling part project, you know, but them that I go come in one next week and say, name worst tiling job or tiling nightmare gone wrong in Jamaica, you know, man. The people because I lose over. Man, I'm all teeth up my tiling too, you know, man, people, I for show you, yo. And that's why I look so right, I know, you know, man, but like me say, I have to drop more and more video for you know, because I try to make sure you see the process as fast. So when I do go JA, you can see how the thing really set up. You understand me? I try some people. But right now, the depression part, people dropping and coming too much, people can't sleep at night time because it's placed upon the head over again, and I try to get it done. And it's like every day you think this I got done or that I got done or all of this I got done, and it just can't move my people. I stress that you know much night I can't sleep. People call me and say, alright, I think this I got done by September, you know. And September come because you know what, the finance now work out, you know, my people, because you think I get a lot of money. Or work, I go pick up and stuff like that. Cause when you're a freelancer like me, and I'm a freelancer media man, you know. So this month I can make a $2,000 or $0 or $10,000. It all depends upon the jobs. You understand me? I try to say. So imagine all 3, 4, 5 months come now, you don't make all that dollar. Only your project you push back when you think it that done, you understand? So no. You still owe your credit card for pay, you know. You still owe people for pay, you know. And you think you don't have a local property for say, yo, boom, I'm put it on Airbnb quick so we can manage it and make it work, right? No. Ain't no work, so man, my people. So remember now, if you put them things in a consideration, when you know, build the property, them down a yard or abroad or wherever, because just the Caribbean, see how you understand? So you just come and give me 2 cents upon that fee. Make people know, say, listen, a whole heap of hardship people go through when they build a house, but them can't, they don't really, people and family members not even know and come talk to them. So if you have a brother that build a house, 3 months say, yo bro, how's the house a go on? I mean I show you. I'm going to sit down and break it down to you and I'll probably cry. But watch them people, I'm going to link in the back, you know, I'm going to do some cashing right now. Back people, so we are trying to get a payment done. You don't know, say end of month, so I bill time that again. You understand? So just clear up that, you know, people. We just have to come back and just tell them, say, yo, thanks again for the support of sharing and liking and, you know, subscribing to the channel. You see my people, because, you know, I put out the effort and I comment and stuff like that, and I like that, you understand? So just want to see if you can help me up get to the 1,000 mark, you know. So we can put out the video them and share it and like it some more for me. Push me to the 1,000 mark. You understand my people? Could I do that, you know, but I be a very happy man right now. Look a bit of stress that come off of me. But you don't know, you know, some of them things that make me want to reach somewhere on their YouTube platform too, right? But again, my people, we just want to say thanks again. Yeah, right, and don't worry, man. I'm not try to look like this again for upcoming next video. Them, you understand? I put myself together, man. Like you say, I go up on a 1 trip at the American Republic right now to clear my head. Somebody help me out, get me a ticket, but I have to go pay them back. But at the end of the day, I need it for my head space to clear it up so I don't feel stress. You understand? And then start back over brand new and fresh again. Yes, it, my people. So I want them to just like, share and subscribe to you people, enough people. And also reach out to your brother and your sister, them out there, your mother, your father, anybody who build my people, and just ask them, man. Just say, yo, J, K, how the project is doing. And then just ask them, man. And them feel like we are, man. God know, man, because sometimes when the people in project done, you know, and you know, so your brother have a house and you have to go there, you know. So just reach out to your brother and your sister, man, and say, yo, oh, the project I do. You understand? So yeah man, my people, just make life work man, make it work. But again my people, I just my 2 cents and the good and the bad for now. What means they probably make a part 2 of this video, upcoming part 2. But right now, alright, so we are going to end it off because me have stuff to go do. Alright, so just want to do what people like, share and subscribe to the channel. 416 to 876 Jamaica out.